Hey guys, what's going on? Tim Terwilliger here, the owner of TLM Research, and today I'm going to talk to you about PumpBrew. Well, what is PumpBrew? PumpBrew is a stimulant-free pre-workout. That means zero energy. However, don't get fooled that you're not going to get any benefits out of it because there's one big hitter in there, choline bitartrate. It's got a gram in there. So choline bitartrate actually is one of the 5 or 6 ingredients in there. Choline bitartrate, what it does is it actually stimulates and triggers your central nervous system. So you're going to have a very, very high rate of focus, I guess you could say. A lot of companies will put in like 250 to 500 milligrams of choline bitartrate in their pre-workouts for their products. But we wanted to go above and beyond with choline bitartrate because it is a stimulant-free, zero-energy pre-workout. However, you still want to get some sort of benefit out of it other than just pump. The rest of the ingredients really focus on the vasodilation and the pump part of this pre-workout. So it is a pump pre-workout. You're going to get a lot of red blood cell volumization, better vascularity, better nutrient delivery. So basically what happens is this. You have let's say like a hose or a garden hose. What happens is if it goes like this, you're going to get a lot more water through it a lot quicker. So it works the same way with your blood. When your blood's like this, you're getting, decent, regular, average nutrient delivery and stuff like that, nutrient transport. But when it goes like this, you get a lot more efficient, which gets blood to your muscle faster along with the nutrients that are in your system at the time. So I'm going to break down the ingredients for you in the back here, guys. First and foremost, we have the Hydromax. It's glycerol powder. Now, when you open a PumpBrew, it doesn't matter if it's a one after a year old or a brand new one right off the production line, you will notice it's almost like a clumpy consistency, and that's unavoidable at the dose that we put in, which is 1.5 grams. You got to remember, it's a heavy hitter, but the consistency of this ingredient, the Hydromax, is that it does clump. So you will have a little bit of caking right off the bat. It is important because of this to keep it stored in a cool location without moisture. Do not leave it in your car. It will harden up. That's what happens with hydroscopic ingredients, especially this one. The next one is magnesium sulfate, one of my personal favorites. It's a more bioavailable form of arginine. This is at 1.25 grams. Guys, remember, this is per scoop. 1.25 grams. You have beta vulgaris next. Another awesome but unique pump ingredient that you don't see in a lot of pump pre-workouts. You have pomegranate extract at a gram, and then you have my favorite, which is Vaso 6. Now, Vaso 6 is said to be the pump ingredient of 2018 going into 2019. What is Vaso 6? It's a blend of 3 or 4 different, grapeseed and other ingredients that kind of come together. It's actually patented, but you need it at least 300 milligrams in order to have it in any of your products. That's what the makers of Vaso 6 deemed that, hey, look, you need 300 milligrams of it in order to have it in any of your products. So we have 300 milligrams of Vaso 6 in our PumpBrew. Now, I want to show you the difference. So arginine was the head honcho of ingredients and pump ingredients for years and years and years, 20 years, 25, 30 years going back. In order to get the intended benefit of vasodilation and pump from arginine, you needed 7 grams of it, which isn't a ton. And I'm going to show you what 7 grams looks like. That's 7 grams right there. That's 7 grams of arginine. Now, here's the difference, and here's what's awesome about 2018 going into 2019 supplements and where they stand today. So that's 7 grams of arginine. Now, Vaso 6 at 300 milligrams works 10 times better than 7 grams of arginine. I'm going to show you the difference. So that amount right there, the little amount of 300 milligrams of Vaso 6 is 10 times more effective than 7 grams of arginine. It's mind-blowing. But anyways, we want to make sure that we always put out the best products with the best ingredients and the best doses possible. And we did exactly that with PumpBrew. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. And remember, don't be alarmed when you open a brand new container and see a little bit of clumping. That's normal. It's because of the Hydromax. Thank you guys. Have a great day.